English learners, welcome back to
So English.
your cozy little place to build your English confidence. I'm May.
Hello, May, and hello, everyone. I'm Jay. How are you today, May?
I'm doing great, Jay. I had a really funny morning today.
Oh, really? What happened?
Well, I told my neighbor I have to go now, and she thought I was angry. But I wasn't angry at all. I was just busy.
That's funny. Why did she think you were angry?
Because have to can sound a bit strong if you say it fast. But actually, today's topic is all about this word, have. It's such a small word, but it does so many jobs in English.
Wait, just one word does many jobs? That sounds confusing already.
Don't worry, Jay. By the end of this episode, you'll actually enjoy using have in like 13 different ways.
13. Okay, my brain is already excited. Let's do this.
But real quick, before we jump in, if this podcast is helping you speak English more confidently, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, and turn on notifications. It really helps us keep making these episodes for you every single day.
Yes, we work hard on these every day, not just once a week, so your support means a lot to us.
Okay, let's dive into the first use of have, the most basic one, possession. Like, I have a car, or I have two brothers.
Oh, that one I know. It just means you own something, or something belongs to you, right?
Exactly. Simple as that. I have a phone. She has a big family. Easy start.
Okay, that wasn't scary at all. What's next?
Number 2, have as a helper word for talking about the past. Like, I have finished my homework.
Have finished? You mean like it happened already, but it still matters now?
Yes, exactly that. We call it the present perfect. It connects the past action to right now. For example, I have lived in this city for 5 years. It started in the past, but I'm still living here now.
Oh, I get it. So it's not just I lived here, it's like the story is still going.
Exactly, Jay. You're getting it fast today. And this small difference actually confuses a lot of learners. I remember watching people mix up I lived here and I have lived here and thinking they mean the exact same thing.
They don't?
Not really. I lived in Tokyo sounds like that chapter of your life is closed, but I have lived in Tokyo for 5 years sounds like you're still there, still living that story.
Oh, wow. So the feeling behind the sentence changes completely, even though it's just one small word difference.
Exactly. That's the magic of have. It's tiny, but it changes the whole meaning.
Thanks, May. Okay, what's number 3?
Number 3 is have to for talking about obligation, something you must do.
Oh, like what happened this morning with your neighbor.
Yes, I have to go to work. We have to finish this project by Friday. It shows there's no choice. It's necessary.
Got it. So have to means must, basically.
Exactly. And actually, here's a fun little tip. In fast, casual speech, people often say gotta instead of have got to, like, I gotta go now.
Oh, I hear that all the time in movies. I always wondered where it came from.
Now you know. Gotta comes from have got to. It's very casual, so save it for friends, not for formal writing.
Got it. Noted. Now here's the interesting part. Number 4, have got, which is super common in British English, and it means the exact same thing as simple possession.
Wait, have got? Isn't that different from have?
May, I think you mixed up our lines.
Oh no, you're right. Okay, let me fix that. Jay, go ahead and ask me.
Okay, take 2. Wait, have got? Isn't that different from have?
Not really. I have a car and I've got a car mean the same thing. British people love adding got there. Americans usually just say I have.
Oh, wow. So it's basically the same idea, just a different style.
Exactly, just a flavor difference, like tea with or without milk.
I like that comparison. Okay, next one.
Number 5, have with meals, like have breakfast, have lunch, have dinner.
Oh, I say this every day. I have breakfast at 7.
Exactly, and it's so natural. You don't say eat breakfast that often in casual conversation. You say have breakfast.
Interesting. I always thought have was only for a possession. This is opening my eyes.
Told you, 13 ways. And here's number 6, closely related. Have with daily routines, like have a shower, have a bath, have a rest.
You mean like I have a shower every morning?
Exactly. It sounds much more natural than saying I shower myself, which honestly sounds a bit robotic.
Yeah, that does sound weird now that you mention it.
Right? English speakers just naturally say have a shower, have a nap, have a rest. It's part of everyday rhythm. Imagine you're texting a friend and you say, sorry, I was busy, I had a nap after lunch. It sounds so natural and relaxed.
Yeah, that's exactly how people actually talk, not textbook style at all.
Exactly. And that's the goal here. Real, natural English, not textbook English.
Okay, I'm loving this. What's next?
Number 7, have a good time or have fun. This is for enjoying an experience.
Oh, like when people say, have a nice day.
Yes, exactly. Or we had so much fun at the beach yesterday. It expresses enjoyment or experience.
That's such a warm way to use it.
It really is. And you know, in some cultures, people don't say have fun as a goodbye phrase, so learners sometimes forget to use it. But in English, it's everywhere. Have fun at the party, have a good trip, have a great weekend.
Oh, definitely. I want to start using that more. It sounds so warm and caring.
It really does add a nice, friendly touch to conversations.
Okay, Jay, here's where things change a little. Number 8 is about babies. In English, we say have a baby to mean giving birth.
Wait, really? Have a baby means giving birth?
May you did it again. That's supposed to be my line.
Oh my goodness, I'm so used to teaching today, I forgot who's asking questions. Okay, let's redo that.
Wait, really? Have a baby means giving birth?
Yes, for example, my sister had a baby last month. It just means she gave birth to a child.
Oh, that's actually really sweet. I didn't expect that one.
Right? Have shows up in the biggest moments of life too, not just small daily stuff.
Wow, okay. What's number 9?
This one is a bit more advanced, but stick with me. It's called the causative have. It means you ask or arrange for someone else to do something for you.
You mean like asking someone to do a task for you?
Exactly. For example, I had my brother fix my computer. It means I asked him and he did the fixing, not me.
Oh, so have here means arranging an action, not doing it yourself.
Exactly right. Here's another example. She had her assistant book the flights. She didn't book it herself, she asked someone else to.
That's actually pretty clever grammar.
It really is, and it connects perfectly to number 10, have something done. This is when you pay or arrange for a service, but you focus on the thing, not the person.
You mean like, I had my hair cut.
Yes, perfect example. You didn't cut your own hair, right? Someone else did it for you. But in English, we simply say, I had my hair cut, or I had my car repaired.
Wait, so it's kind of similar to number 9, but this time we don't even mention who did it.
Exactly, Jay. You nailed it. In number 9, we mention the person. I had my brother fix my computer. In number 10, we skip the person. I had my computer fixed. The focus moves from the person to the result.
Whoa, that's such a small difference, but it changes the whole sentence structure.
This is exactly why have is such a powerful little word. And honestly, once you notice this pattern, you'll hear it everywhere. I had my nails done. I had my house painted. I had my phone screen fixed. Once you start noticing, you can't stop noticing.
That's so true. I feel like I'm going to hear have in every single sentence now.
Welcome to the club.
Okay, I need a moment to process all this. What's next?
Let's lighten it up a bit. Number 11, have as an action verb itself, like have a look, have a try, or have a chat.
Oh, have a look. Like, can I have a look at your notebook?
Exactly. Or let's have a chat about this later, meaning let's talk. It's a really casual, friendly way to suggest doing something briefly.
That sounds super natural, honestly. I could use that every day.
You really can. Now imagine this. You're at a coffee shop with a friend, and you say, let's have a quick chat before you go. It instantly sounds warm and casual.
Yeah, I can totally picture that scene.
Okay, and here's number 12. Have a word with someone. This means to talk to someone, often seriously, maybe to correct or discuss something important.
You mean like when a teacher says, I need to have a word with you?
Exactly. It usually means a short, serious talk. It sounds gentler than saying, I need to scold you, but everyone understands there's something important to discuss.
Oh, that's a really useful phrase for polite but serious situations.
Definitely. And now, the last one, number 13. This is a fun idiom. Have it in for someone. It means someone dislikes you and wants to cause you trouble on purpose.
Wait, have it in for someone? That sounds intense.
It is. For example, I think my boss has it in for me, meaning the boss seems to target that person unfairly.
Oh, so it's like a hidden grudge kind of feeling.
Exactly, a hidden grudge. It's used a lot in movies and daily conversations when people feel like they're being unfairly picked on.
Wow, 13 uses of have, and honestly, I didn't expect this word to be this deep.
Right? It's honestly one of the most flexible words in English. Possession, past actions, obligation, routines, causative actions, idioms, have just keeps showing up everywhere.
Now imagine you're traveling and your friend asks, have you had breakfast yet? You could reply, not yet, but I have to check out of the hotel first, then I'll have a quick coffee. Look how many times have appears in one small conversation.
Exactly, Jay. That's such a perfect little example. You're basically using half of today's list in one conversation without even noticing.
This episode really opened my eyes to how powerful small words can be.
That's the beauty of English, honestly. You don't need big, fancy words to sound fluent. You just need to understand small words deeply, like have, and use them naturally. Actually, I think this is the biggest lesson for today. So many learners chase difficult vocabulary, thinking that's the key to fluency. But real fluency often comes from small words used correctly and confidently.
That's such a good point. I think I used to believe that too, that I needed big words to sound smart.
A lot of people think that way, but native speakers use simple words like have, get, make, and do constantly in so many different ways. Mastering these small words will make you sound much more natural than memorizing rare vocabulary.
That actually makes learning English feel less scary, honestly. Like, I don't need a huge dictionary, I just need to understand these small, powerful words really well.
Exactly, Jay. That's the whole idea behind today's episode.
So, to everyone listening, try using one of these 13 have expressions today in a real conversation.
Yes, pick one. Maybe have a look or have a chat, and just try it out today.
And tell us in the comments, which one of these 13 uses of have surprised you the most?
We would genuinely love to hear your answer, so don't be shy. Drop a comment below.
If you enjoyed learning with us today, please remember to subscribe, like this episode, and share it with someone who's learning English too.
We hope you enjoyed this session as much as we did making it for you. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in your English journey.
See you in the next episode, everyone. Bye for now.